Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, what we are going to look is the different navigation commands, how we can use those navigation commands in Selenium. So let's say I am navigating to one of the web page. Let's say I'm navigating to the Wikipedia website and my requirement is that like I'm on this page, I have to go back from what page I have came. So I clicked on the back. I came back to the Google search page, and then I can come forward to the Wikipedia page. What I can do is refresh the page. So these are these three commands: back, forward, and refresh. So we will see how we can achieve these commands using Selenium. Okay, guys. So let me open my Eclipse. I will create one new class, and the class name let me give is navigation in Selenium. I want the public static void main wherein we can write our code. Okay, so I'll just copy the first two lines to invoke the browser and set the property. So this is what I just, yeah, I have set the property, given the path to the Chrome driver. This is initialize the web driver. Okay, now driver dot get, herein we have to provide the URL. Let me open my Chrome. Okay, so in Chrome, there's one site, let me, the internet Heroku app. Okay, so this is also one of the website to practice your Selenium. Like they are having a huge web elements, how you can handle checkbox, broken images and all. So let's get into this. We will go into this page, we will come back, we will then click on forward, and then what we are going to do is we will refresh this page. Okay, so let me copy the URL what we are having here. Okay, and driver.get. Okay, so I am on this web page now. Let's click any of the link. Driver dot find element. Let's select drag and drop, inspect. So guys, this is a link starting with an anchor tag E. This is your link text over here. I can copy this by dot link text, and I will paste this link text. What we have to do is we have to click over this link. Now, next, once I click on this drag and drop, I will be on this page. Okay. Now on this page, I have, once this page is loaded, I have to go back. I'll just place a thread dot select for 2 seconds. This will hold on the or pause the execution for 2 seconds. Let me as throw declaration, it throws an interrupted exception. Now coming up to the main topic is navigation. I have to go back. I have to click on this and I have to go back. So driver dot navigate is method, and in this and navigate you can find different methods. What is one is back, the other one is a refresh, and this forward. These are your navigation commands. Okay, so let's see. For going back, we will say back. Okay, so now once this action will be performed, it will go back to the initial web page. I'll just put another thread dot sleep for 2 seconds. Okay, and what I have to do, driver dot navigate forward. Okay, So now it will wait for 2 seconds and then it will go back to the this drag and drop page. Now what I have to do, once I will be on this page, I will be refreshing this page. So same, navigate dot refresh, it's a command. So once you do this, and let's see how it goes. Run as a Java application. Now as per the code driver, it's initializing, it will launch a URL. This, it will click on the drag and drop. Okay, it got launched, navigated to the URL, clicked on, it will wait for 2 seconds, it will go back, wait for another 2 seconds, come forward, wait for 2 seconds, and refresh. So guys, you see, it is working as expected. Okay, so this is how we handle the navigation commands, back, forward, and refresh. So with that, guys, I'll show you some. There are like, see, we are having thread driver dot navigate dot. So one is a back, forward we covered. We also covered this refresh. So we are having two other methods such as two. This is the overloaded method wherein we have to provide your URL and you can navigate to that particular URL. So I'll show you. So let me put sleep over here for 2 seconds so that it gets refreshed before trying to this step. So navigate to what? Navigate to this https:// google.com. Okay, now this is what it's going to do is navigate. After refreshing, it will wait for 2 seconds and then it will navigate to google.com. Let's run this. Run it as a Java application. So my Chrome driver will be launching, navigating to the internet Heroku app. It will click on drag and drop, wait for 2 seconds, come back, go forward, refresh, wait for 2 seconds, go to google.com. That's how the navigation works in Selenium, guys. I hope this video is clear and you have gotten the understanding of how we can use the navigate commands in Selenium. So that's all in this video. We'll see in the next video what to cover. Meanwhile, guys, do like, subscribe, and comment if you have any suggestion or feedback to improve the video. Thank you very much. Bye.